The $30 billion merger between the London Stock Exchange and Deutsche Boerse has been blocked by the European Commission. Now, the Commission was concerned that the merger would create a monopoly and had ordered the LSE to first sell its 60% stake in the MTS trading platform in Italy. But the LSE refused, complaining that it would harm its Italian business, and so the merger is off. This is the third time the exchanges have tried to merge since 2000. Tadgh Enright has more from London.
Well, it had been a very controversial deal right from the start, with many people both in the UK and in Germany opposing it, particularly when you add in the complication of Brexit into the mix. But this deal to merge London Stock Exchange and the Deutsche Boerse had felt like a done deal until this late-minute intervention by the European Commission, requiring London to sell off its 60% stake in MTS, and that is an Italian clearinghouse that specialises in government debt and other types of bonds. Now, the LSE had already thought that it had satisfied competition regulators' concerns by selling off its interest in a French clearinghouse. It was told to do so. It did so. But then just as this deal was drawing to a close, Brussels intervened again and told the LSE to come up with a way to dispose of MTS, its 60% stake in that, by Monday. But late on Sunday, the LSE came back and said that it could not and would not do so, labelling the European Commission's condition as disproportionate. So the big question is, can this deal still be done? Well, both the companies involved say they still want to, and they're hoping that upon further assessment, the European Commission might, in fact, change its mind. So now the ball is kicked back to Brussels. They will be making up their mind, giving their final decision by the end of March. And what they effectively have to decide is whether they want to see a new European heavyweight in financial trading born, or if they're happy to see perhaps one or both of these companies swallowed up by an American rival.